As a continuation, last year we had the introduction of mini options on ASML, ASMI and Rheinmetall, so the larger, the more expensive stocks. Now we have the introduction of mini options on the
Dutch AEX Index, the MSCI World, Nasdaq and the S&P 500 ETFs.
Exactly. So that it gives you the possibility to also benefit from, for instance, selling call options on existing ETF positions, sell put options if you want to buy an ETF but you want to buy it with a discount, or even buy put options for insurance. No?
And the special thing now is that you really have a physical delivery of the ETFs. So normally there's a cash settlement with the normal index options. In this case, you have to buy the ETFs on the level from the put option or to sell the ETFs on the strike price regarding the call options.
Exactly. Of course, options are quite complicated. So if you want to know more about it, call Taco or myself, and we are more than happy to help you and to see how we can implement this in your investments. Thank you for watching.
Thank you.